Good morning, everyone. I hope that you're doing well. Welcome back to Al Husam International School Math Virtual Classes. This is me, Mrs. Maha Alham. Let's start our session. Good morning, Year 4. I hope that you're doing well. Today, inshallah, we are going to continue Unit 15, Lesson 2. Yes, we have finished Lesson 1, and this is Lesson 2. We are going to continue the lesson. And maybe if we have time, we are going to take lesson 3 and answer some of the homework questions. We are also going to continue talking about the coordinates, but today we are going to talk about describing the directions. In the previous sessions, we were describing positions. Today we are going to describe directions. If you are going to move on the coordinate grid, so what are the directions that you are going to? Let's jump to slide 21, and here he wants you to describe the movement between the positions, okay, as translation. What does it mean by the word translation? The word translation here for means that you are going to move any point or any object on a coordinate grid. And when you are going to move this object, you have to follow 4 directions: left, right, up, or down. You cannot move across the coordinate grid. So all your steps should follow 4 directions: left, right, up, or down. Okay? Let's answer this question, and it will be very clear for you. I need someone to answer the first one. Look at this grid. And what are the coordinates of E? So who can tell me what are the coordinates of Yasin, Adham? Guys, good morning. Yes, Yasin.
What?
Good morning, Yasin.
Good morning.
I want you to tell me what are the coordinates of E. Coordinates means you're going to give me 2 brackets. Inside the 2 brackets, we have 2 numbers. Between these 2 numbers, we have a comma. These 2 numbers are ordered numbers, okay? They are ordered numbers. The first one indicates for x-axis. The second one indicates for the y-axis. So what do you think? What is the position or the coordinates of E?
Okay, 6. 6 and 0.
Very good. Because we didn't move up, we're still on the x-axis, so the coordinates are 6 and 0. Perfect. Thank you so much, Yasin. Now let's go to the next question, which is the lesson of today. Nadim translates, translate as I told you means move. Translates a point E to point F by moving 2 squares to the right and 9 squares up. What are the coordinates of point F? Who's going to do this with me, guys? Ganna Husam.
Yes.
Good morning, Yajuju.
Good morning.
Could you please answer this question with me?
Yes.
Okay. He wants Yajuju to move the point E. Translate means we are going to move it on the coordinate grid. خلاص? Is it clear? So the word translate means that we are going to move it on the coordinate grid. So he wants you to move point E to point F. Okay, so this is the new position by moving E 2 squares to the right and 9 squares up. Okay, let's do it now. So first of all, I'm going to move it 2 steps to the right. So what is the new position for E now? Let's count. 1,
2. So it's in
8 and 0, right?
8
and 0. Yes, because here we have coordinates, so you have to mention 2 numbers. But we didn't finish yet, Yaganna. Do you know why?
Yep.
We have to move
Because
this
he wants
point.
us
Yes?
and 9 squares up.
Yes, so we still moving to reach 9 steps up. Let's do it together. Yalla.
1,
Hmm?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Very good. So now we reach the new position for E. And what are the coordinates for this position?
8, 9.
8 and 9. Excellent. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is the lesson of today. That's it. Thank you so much.
Miss, in the IXL, the first one, I didn't do it because I didn't know how.
Okay. Okay, so let's finish this and then I will ask you if you have any questions. Thank you, Juju. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So, let's see the answer here. The answer here is 8 and 9. So this is the new position for E. It is F. The last one now, he wants to translate point F to point G by moving 5 squares left and 6 squares down. So who's going to, let's see who are raising their hands. Oops. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Dimos.
Yes.
Yeah, Dimos, how are you?
Good.
Okay. Dima, can you answer this question with me, please?
Sure.
Okay, now he wants to translate point F to point G by moving 5 squares left and 6 squares down. Okay? 5 squares
Okay.
left and then 6 squares down. Let's move it together. Yalla.
Okay.
Yalla, count with
How
me.
to the left? Okay.
Yes.
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes. That's it.
6.
He wants 5
No.
squares to the left. So stop.
Oh.
And then 6 squares down. So let's go down.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5,
Very
6.
good. 6. So this is the new position for the point. Can you tell me what are the coordinates here?
3, 3.
3 and 3. Excellent. Very good. Thank you so much, Yadima. Thank you. Okay. So as what she said, Dima, so the new position for F, which is G, is 3 and 3. Okay, let's all of you go to your workbook quickly. I want all of you to go to your workbook quickly, guys, please. Okay. So I'm gonna share it now with you. I want you to open the questions for yesterday and for today. So I'm going to share it with you now. Okay, can you see the workbook now, guys? Is it clear? Can you see the workbook? Just put your thumb up. Thumb it up if you can see the workbook. Thank you so much. Okay, quickly, I don't want to waste your time, but I want you to revise the homework with me quickly. Okay, so here we have question number 1. He wants you to look at this grid and write the coordinates for the stars. How many stars do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 stars. He wants you to write the coordinates of the stars. So who's going to answer these questions with me? Who answered these questions? Who did this before? Huh? Yes, guys, I'm waiting for your answers. Layla, good morning, ya Lulu.
Good morning.
Did you answer this question, ya Lulu?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the coordinate for the first one?
Which one? That one?
Whatever you want. Choose any one.
Okay.
So
1, 5.
1 and 5. Very good. So Layla chose this one. 1 and 5. Thank you so much, ya Lulu. Who else? Jannah Muhammad. Good morning, ya Juju.
Good morning.
Did you do the homework?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me the coordinates of the second one?
2/2.
2 and
2.
2. Very good. Excellent. Thank you so much. So Jannah chose this one. Thank you so much. Next one. Yalla, check your answers as we are always doing. Just hold the pen. Check your answers. Jana, did you do the homework, ya Jana?
Yes.
Good morning, Hype. Okay, so could you please tell me what are the coordinates of the next one?
Yes. 3 is 3.
Sorry?
3y and 3x.
3y and 3x. Where is it? 3, 3. We have nothing here. You're talking about 3 and 3. We have nothing here. What do we have here, ya Jana? We are talking about the stars. Can you see this star? This one?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the position of this one?
5.
5, yes. And?
4.
No. What about the
5
y?
and 5.
No. Ah, you are talking about 5 and 4, this one? Okay. Did you choose this one? Right?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
So this is 5 and 4. Excellent, very good. We still have one.
Okay.
Thank you so much. We still have another one here, Yajana. That's why we were talking about something else. Okay, Zena. The last one,
Yes.
Zena, quickly.
5
And?
5 and 1.
Yes, it's 5 and 1. Thank you so much, Zena. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to answer the arrows. Where are the position of the arrows, boys? Ali Ahmed, good morning.
Good morning.
Alushi, we have here, ya Ali. How many arrows? 4 arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose any one of them and tell me what are the coordinates quickly.
Okay. I will choose
Yes?
this.
So what are the coordinates?
The coordinates is
Quickly. We have a lot to do. Hurry up.
5 in x-axis.
We don't have any arrow in 5.
5. 1, 5.
Yes.
5 and 1, 5 and 1, 5 and 1. 5 and 1.
We don't have 5 and 1. We are talking about the arrows. Arrows, ya Ali. We have 1 and 1, right?
Wow.
This one. This one is in 1 and 1, ya Ali. What about the second one here? Can you tell me the coordinates of it?
Okay.
Quickly. It is. Quickly,
1 and
Alushi.
3.
Very good. It's 1 and 3. Very good. Thank you so much. Quickly, let's go to another one. Thank you. So who's going to answer the question? Muhammad Islam. Muhammad Islam. The third
Yes.
one, quickly.
3
Third
and
one.
4.
It is 3 and 4. Very good. Thank you so much. Excellent. Very good. Another one.
3
Who
and
else? Thank you. لا, don't say. I'm gonna choose someone else. Thank you so much, Muhammad Islam. Yes, Adham. Adham Hani.
4.
Adham. I'm trying to open your mic, Adham. Hello, Adham.
Yes.
This is Adham or what or whom?
Hey, miss.
No, this is Muhammad Islam. Start talking. No,
Miss,
yes,
can you
Adham.
hear me?
Yes, Adham. Yes. يلا. Last one, يا Adham.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Excellent. So, are they difficult, guys?
Nope.
So easy. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go to the next question quickly. Next question, also he wants you to list the coordinates of the circles and list the coordinates of the squares. I'm not going to waste your time. I will write all of them and I want you to check your answers quickly, okay? Because you did the previous one, so just check your answers. For example, the circles here, we have 1 and 9. Check your answer. 1 and 9, okay. The second one that we have is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. The third one that we have is 4 and 7. Yes, it is 4 and 7. The fourth one is 5 and 3. So 5 and 3. The sixth one is 7 and 5. 7 and 5. The last one that we have is 9 and 8. So it is 9 and 8. Check your answers. If all of them are correct, just thumb up. Show me your thumb. All of them are correct, Jana? Very good. Zaina, all of them are correct? Perfect. Muhammad Islam, all of them are correct? Excellent, very good. So let's go to the squares. We have here the squares are 2 and 6. Just I have to put arrows. Okay. I have just a second. 3 and 2. Don't forget to put the arrows. 3 and 2. The third. So here 4, I want you to check your answers as I told you. Here we have the coordinates for the squares in the grid. Okay, let's go to the next question, Yazina. You said that you don't understand question number 3. We are going to do all of them, don't worry. Here we have this question. Look at question number 1. Draw 10 small shapes of your own on the grid. Below, you decide where to put them, and then you are going to list the coordinates of your shape. This is so easy. I'm just going to show you 2, and you're going to do the rest, okay? For example, here, I'm going to put a heart. So I'll put 1 here and 1 here. That's it. And then I'm going to write that the coordinates of the heart. By the way, he wants you to draw 10 different shapes, okay? So I'm just going to put 1, and for example, the second one is star, okay? So I have here, this is a heart. The coordinates of the heart are 3 and 6, right? The second one, here we have a star. The coordinates of the star are 6 and 5. I think it's clear enough. So you are going to continue put 10 shapes, okay, and write the coordinates of these shapes. Guys, do you have any question for this point? Is it clear, guys? Clear? Layla, is it clear? Muhammad Nu'man, are you checking your homework? Mustafa, is it clear? Judy, very good. Put your thumb. Kenzie, are you checking your homework? Muhammad Tariq, Bara, good morning. Ali Sameh, good morning. Ahmed Hani, I want you to take the absence like yesterday. Okay? Thank you so much. Sarah, good morning. Do you have any question? If you can open the camera, guys, so I can see your faces, or just put a reaction to tell me that everything is okay. Okay? Okay, so let's go to the next question quickly. Question number 3. So easy. It's so easy. Okay? Why? Because he wants you to draw these 3 shapes on the grid and write the coordinates of the vertices of the shape. That's it. So you are going to draw a square. This is a square. Square, huh? So all the sides are equal. This is a square, right? So just make it thick. What are the coordinates of the vertices? Who is the one who's going to tell me what are the coordinates of these vertices? Hey Zena, can you tell me? Because you said that the question is very hard, or you couldn't do it. Hey Zena, is it easy now? Is it clear? Zena, what's your problem? You are going to draw a square, ya Zena, okay? Zena, I can hear you. I opened your mic.
Okay.
You are going to draw a square, okay?
Okay.
How many vertices do we have here?
4.
Can you tell me the coordinates of the 4 vertices? Coordinates. 1 and 6, okay? What else?
And 4 and 6.
4 and 6, yes. 4 and 6.
And
yes.
And 4 and 9.
4 and 9, perfect. So it's easy and clear, ya Zena. The last one is 1 and
9.
How did you find the question? Is it easy? Okay, so all what you are going to do, ya Zena, as I said, is to draw the irregular pentagon, trapezium, square, all of these shapes, and then you are going to write the vertices, the coordinates of the vertices. The pentagon here has 5 vertices, so you are going to write 5 coordinates. The trapezium here has 4 vertices because it's a quadrilateral. Okay, so you are going to put the 4 vertices for this shape. I think it's clear enough. Let's go to the next page. Okay. This page, he wants you here to move your finger around the wild squares of the grid for A to B to show 3 different ways that you can make. What are you going to do? Here he wants you to find 3 paths, okay? So you can go from point A to point B. Let me show you here. Here, this is point A. I'm going to put my hand on point A and then try to move to reach point B. Okay? He wants you to write the path here, this path. He wants you to write how did you move. I will give you an example and you're going to continue. For example, for A, I moved 3 steps down, right? 1, 2, 3, and then 3 to the left, right? To the right, sorry. Okay. Then I moved 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 down. 2 to the right. Okay, and 1 up. So this is what I did to move from A to B. I moved 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps to the right. Oh, there are 2 steps to the right, actually, not 3. 2 steps to the right. From here, 1, 2. 1 down, and 1, 2 to the right, and 1 up. Now I reach to point B. Do you have any question? Okay, do you have any question, guys? Okay. So your homework is to complete these pages, these questions. I give you one path, just one path, and you are going to find another paths. Okay, so what you are going to do is to just put your finger and move. For example, here I'm going to move like this to reach B. I want someone to describe what I did in the second one, please. Who can describe it? Mahmoud. Good morning, ya Mahmoud.
Good morning, Miss Maha.
Can you describe what is the path that I took it from
Yes.
A to B?
3 steps to the down and
Yes,
2
3 steps
the
down. 1, 2
4
to the
steps
right.
right.
Good. Then?
After 3 steps down, 2 steps to the right.
Very good. And then?
And then 2 steps up.
Very good. And then?
2 steps to the right.
Very good. And then?
2 steps down.
Perfect, ya Mahmoud. Thank you so much. This is exactly what I want. You are going to write that how did you move from A to B? I can't change the path, okay? So you can move from A like this and then go from this way, okay? So he wants you to show 3 different ways that you can do this from A to B in A, B, and C, okay? So yes, what I did now is what I did in the previous one. So this is A, B. Let's do C together. Okay. So I'm going to choose different path. Okay. So for example, I'm going to move like this. And this is the easiest one, I think. Who can describe this path? Who can describe this path? Mehdi, good morning.
Good morning.
I miss you so much, ya Mehdi.
Me too.
Can you describe the last one?
Yes.
Yes.
1 step down.
1 step down. Very good.
4 steps to the right.
4 steps to the right. Excellent.
2 steps down.
Yes, and 2 steps down. Very good. So these are the 3 paths that he's talking about to move from A to B. Thank you so much, ya Mehdi. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. He wants you in this question to write 8 words that you would be helpful when you give directions. Okay, in this question, I want you to write any words that you can use them to move from one point to another. Okay, so we have here up, down, left, right. I want you to choose different words also to describe your movement from one direction, from one position to another. Okay, so this question, just you are going to use keywords like up, Okay, down, left, right, and I want you to continue the 4 words to have 8 words to describe the directions. Okay, question number 2, use some of the words in question number 1 to write the shortest route from A to B in the grid in challenge 1A. Okay, so in challenge 1A, I'm so sorry, where did we go? Again? Yes. Question number 1A, طبعا we said that the shortest path was with Mehdi. Okay? This is the shortest one to move from A to B. So if you are going to move here from A to B, this one was the shortest path. Shortest path means that you are going to take the least number of steps. Least number of steps. Yes, Zaina, do you have any question? Just 2 minutes and we are going to finish everything, okay? So in question number 3, he wants to write a set of instructions from A, okay, route along the white squares from the star to the moon. Okay, so he wants you to move from the star to the moon, okay, through the white squares. Okay, so I'm going to choose this route from star to the moon. And then he wants you to write the instructions from moving from the star to the moon. You can choose different paths, okay? So you can, for example, move like this and reach the moon as well, okay? So it's up to you. Choose whatever you want and just write the instructions that you are going to follow, okay? So this is question number 3. Question number 4, he wants you also to set the instructions for the shortest route along the white squares from the star to the sun. So you are going to do the same thing. In last question here, he wants you to shade 5 squares on each row of the grid. So you are going to create a path of white squares to move you from the triangle to the square. This is your own question. It means that this will be vary from one student to another because he wants you to shade 5 squares in each row, okay? And then you are going to create your own path to move from the triangle to the square. I want you to do this question and show me what you're going to do. I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much, year 4, for your attendance, for your commitment. The homework will be that you're going to answer these 2 pages, 170 to 173, and also I'm going to send you the IXL link so you can answer more questions on IXL. And inshallah there will be, I think, an extra session for the for lesson 3 because we didn't finish it yet. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed the session. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.